Wow. Eccoci qua. It's here. So it's here. It's ready to be opened, and wow, let's see. Here we go. So we have this short letter here. Say it. Well, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement. Wow. And this award, it was inspected by packaged with great care by Rick. Oh, so thanks Sir Rick. Made this award. So we have here a letter. Wow. I'm gonna make this in a picture frame now. Do you remember your first subscriber? So let's see here. Do you remember your first subscriber? Yes, and that's me. That's your 100th or your 1,000 subscriber. Chances are you do, and we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber. Actually, I didn't remember at all. So yeah. Your fans may have found you while searching your YouTube, learn about you through a friend, or maybe you showed them. And I can't read all of this, but thank you, Mr. San Wojcicki, the CEO YouTube. It's gonna be a worth. Here it's gonna be worth. I gotta make a picture frame for this. And there we go. Yes. Here. Here we go.